Hey everybody, it's Tessa. I'm gonna sing How to Love by Lil Wayne. It was a request, so here I go. Because I'm still your heart. Never really had luck, never figured out how to love. How to love. Loving spending this forever. Now you're in the corner trying to put it together. How to love. How to love. Thinking you were here when you were there. It's like I said, the way you're moving your body like you never had love. Never had love. You look so precious. How you grown up so fly. It's like a blessing, but you can't have a man with 5 seconds without you being insecure. You're pretty self, so when you got older, it seems like you came back 10 times over. Now you're sitting in this damn corner, looking through our thoughts and you're looking over shoulder. Never like crooks trying to steal your heart. Never really had luck, couldn't never figure out how to love. How to love. You had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now you're in the corner room, trying to put it together. How to love. How to love. So that was me singing How to Love by Lil Wayne. So, um, there you go. If I messed up, sorry. It's the first time I've ever heard that song, and the first time I've ever sang it. So, yeah.